Hello, in this video is an introduction to how we're going to deal with kitchen layouts. There's a few different basic styles of kitchens: U-shapes, L-shapes, galley, which can have an island bench and inline. And what we're going to do is, this is an inline kitchen. We're actually going to just discuss briefly here the history and how these guys sort of work. This is an L-shaped kitchen. And what we're going to do is we're going to design a complete kitchen for each layout. So we're going to go through about 5 actual kitchens projects of mine, and you can watch how I draw them up and design them, and we'll discuss these layout situations as we go. These are different drawings. All of these drawings here are showing this triangle. Now, what they used to call a working triangle between the sink and the cooktop and the fridge, and this was to give you an idea of where things were positioned. There's no set rule. These are concepts that you just need to understand. You're going to go to a room. There is no one way to design a U-shaped kitchen. You have to look at what your client has and what your client wants to fit in that kitchen, and the sort of things that your client does. If they cook a lot, they don't cook, they want a sitting area. Everyone's different. So if you have 100 different people, you could have 100 different U-shaped kitchens if you want to tailor make each design for them. These are notes from a client and different things that you can do. So just going back to this working triangle that they used to have, or used to talk about, between the fridge and the sink and the cooktop. A good site to pop in and have a look at is this Bloom, and then go to the Bloom. It's dynamicspace.com. They actually talk more about zones: cooking zones, cleaning zones, consumables, non-consumables. I'd advise you to go there and have a look at whatever videos. In fact, if you've got a chance somewhere close to do the Bloom dynamic training, if you have a Bloom sensor, it's worth talking to them as part of it. But again, these are just concepts, and really it's difficult to cover in a short video. So as I said, what we'll do, we'll probably have about 1 hour long videos where I designed the whole kitchen, and then we'll look at how these different zones or these different triangles fit in. Drawing the kitchens, this is an old graph pad. I'd say this one's done on a computer. Some people still draw on drawing boards, believe it or not. Some people draw on graph pads. I prefer to use Google SketchUp. I'm going to do another video. It's actually called Trimble SketchUp now. I'm going to do another video on the different kitchen drawing programs that I've used over the years. 2020, Kitchen Draw, there's several of them. Planet. We'll go through those. I now use only SketchUp. So what we're going to do is we're going to design an L-shaped kitchen, a couple of U-shaped kitchens, a couple of galley kitchens, and we're going to design the whole kitchen using SketchUp. And as I do that, we're going to discuss these consumable zones, or the working triangle. So we'll look at each kitchen, we'll discuss how it's going to work. This will also let you you'll learn how I design the kitchen, make the cabinets fit into the spaces that we have, and you will learn how to use the software if that's of any interest to you at the same time. So we will leave it for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.